Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa PMBC Star Award sa pag-recognize po sa aming tandem ni David. And first and foremost, gusto ko pong i-acknowledge ang aming direktor sa Maria Clara at Ibarra, si Direk Zig. Siya po ang nagsilang ng Pilay Love Team. Napakahusay na direktor. Maraming salamat. Tama nga ang sabi nila na good things happen when you least expect it. And for me, that's David.
Wow.
Gulat ka, di ba? Ayun, sobrang saya ko kasi ang saya niya ka-work and ngayon nakita ko na ang laki na ng growth niya as an actor and I can't wait to see him more and to see him grow as an actor at sana ako pa rin ang kasama niya.
Okay, dali ko.
Dali na.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to PNPC for recognizing us. Just means na I guess we're doing something good.
Yes.
And that we're making people happy. And that's what you want to do. Secondly, I want to say thank you to GMA for believing in us. To Maria Clara ni Ibarra, like what Barbie said, yun kasi yung nagpanganak sa ating love team, tama? Diba? So thank you so much to Sparkle.
Yes.
And of course to you.
Yeah.
Really, thank you. I have learned so much from you and that's such amazing alam mo yun, like, ikaw yung love team ko. You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together.
Yes.
Yeah.
At syempre ang ating supporters,
Oh, yeah,
diba?
to the fans, of
Yes, to the
course.
fans. Salamat po sa inyong paniniwala. And yun, katulad ng sinabi ni David, to GMA and to Sparkle, maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Yes. Thank you to the fans.